Using YouTube TV gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add credit to your account. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Open your web browser and go to the official YouTube TV website. Make sure you are logged into your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Step 2. Access the account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the Redeem Gift Card option. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Redeem Gift Card or Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. You will be prompted to enter the code from your YouTube TV gift card. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no mistakes. Step 5. Confirm and apply the credit. After entering the code, click on the Confirm button to apply the credit to your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. Now you can enjoy your YouTube TV subscription with the added credit from your gift card. Happy watching!